I'm going to show you how you can verify your LinkedIn profile. So this is my LinkedIn profile. I'm going to click on Add Verification Badge. All right. So we have two options to verify your LinkedIn profile. Either you verify with your workplace as Upwork, because I have it on my profile, or you verify with your persona. So I'm going to click on Verify with your persona, right? So read this. Okay, read this. You need a valid ID, which is your international passport. It doesn't work with NIN, it doesn't work with voter card or driver's license. So you must have your international passport. So I'm going to click on Verify with persona. Good. Select a country. Now my country is Nigeria. So whatever country you are in. So I'm going to agree, right? Then I click on Continue. Now, do you see this symbol on the front or back of your ID? Now, I have my international passport with me, so I'm going to click on Yes. Good. Now, front of government ID. So they're asking me to take a clear photo of the front of my government ID. Now, I can either take a direct picture or upload. Now, I have it in front of me, but I also have where I uploaded this on my file. So let me get the upload. I have it on my files. Now, this is it here. So I'm going to use it. All right, no, they're asking me to review my details to be sure that everything is as it should be. So I'm going to go through it and confirm these details. So accept and continue. Now they want me to verify the chip in front of the passport. So this is it. So I'm going to scan this chip in front of your passport. You're going to see a screenshot of it here on the screen. So I'm placing it down, then I start scanning. So what I'm doing, I'm just pressing my phone. I'm just holding my phone over it until they tell me that it is okay. I'm taking my phone up and down my international passport, right? Because it is scanning. So when it is ready, they are going to let me know that it is ready. So you can see there was a problem, right? So I'm going to start again. Wow, so what I just did, I placed my phone on top the passport and it has been completed. So this might work faster for you. Just drop your phone on top it, okay? And that's how I have scaled through. So now they want us to do a camera, right? So I'm clicking on Get Started. Allow picture of me. Okay, this has gone wonderfully well. I click on Continue. Continue. And this is how you can verify your LinkedIn profile with your international passport. Got it? All right, and you can see this tick, this badge at the top of my name, right? It has been verified. So let me know if you have done yours, if you have any challenge or have